Hello guys, welcome back to On Paper. So big daddy of all the matches in IPLs, that is Royal Challenge Bangalore versus Chennai Super Kings. Head to head, if we see advantage CSK, they have won 21 matches in comparison to 13 won by RCB. Interesting facts and trivia, we see biggest rivalry because it is intensely fueled by the energy and the unwavering passion of the fans. Hat-trick wins for RCB lately. They have won all the three matches lately in the recent because they have better planning and they have executed their plans well. RCB is coming off a 1 week break and they must be feeling hungry and very well rested for this match. If the we talk about the surface, it's a fast bowling friendly wicket, hit the deck kind of a surface which is most suitable for the bowlers like Josh Hazelwood, but he won't be available today. But Jacob Tuffy won't be minding this surface either. First inning average score is 174 runs on this surface. Josh Hazelwood has started warm up. This is a big news for RCB fans. He might not be playing today or could be doubtful for the next 1 or 2 matches, but will be coming into the scene in the future very soon. Bowling concerns for CSK is no brainer. CSK bowling has been ordinary or even less than that, but RCB has chased 206 in 16 overs against SRH in the last game. This shows that it's a uphill task for CSK bowling. Toss, if we see, the one who wins the toss will chase because 4 out of 6 matches the chasing team has won. Important clashes, if we see, I'll say that Bhuvneshwar Kumar is legend of this IPL game and is better than your Bumrahs, your Shamis and your Sirajes, and you name them, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar is right up there. Bhuvneshwar Kumar has been good in power play and good in the death bowling as well. We will see the clash between Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Samsung, but their advantage is Bhuvneshwar Kumar. And if we see the clash between Gaikwad and Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Gaikwad has the edge over Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the initial overs. If we talk about batting of CSK, mention should be made for Mhatre and your Sarfraz and Dubey. They have done well in the recent match, but bowling has been ordinary. Substitute, they can see of Akil Hussain because it's a right-hander rich batting of RCB, and Urvil Patel can also come into the team, and if at all Dewald Brevis is fit, he'll also make a cut into the team. If RCB batting we talk about, Salt was ordinary, but Kohli and DDP were amazing in that match, and Jitesh Sharma had a forgetful outing that day, but it doesn't matter for RCB. I guess they won't be changing anything in their team. Bowlers have been exceptional for them, and Bhuvneshwar Kumar, I'm telling you, he is the bowler to watch out for Chennai. And let's see what happens in this match. Please comment and tell me which team do you want to come victorious today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.